Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make a dessert dish, lemon tart. It's really yummy, super fresh and zesty. The classic version of a lemon tart consists of a pastry shell or a case which is baked and filled with a lemon filling. Here I'm going to show you a simpler version of the same pastry. Let's begin with the base, for which we will require 12 to 15 biscuits. You can use any biscuits but make sure they are sweet. Then we'll need 20 grams of butter. We'll have to melt the butter. Here you can use salted or unsalted ones. Now break and put the biscuits into a mixer jar and grind them into fine powder. Now take out the grinded biscuits into a bowl. Now add the melted butter to the biscuit and mix it well. You can even use your hands to mix it. The mix is ready. This is the mold I am using. You can see the disc of the mold can be separated easily, which makes it easy to demold once it is done. You can see the mix here. It will be similar to the texture of wet sand. Once you press them, it should be able to hold the shape. That's how we want them. Now put the mix into the mold and spread it evenly. Now with the back of a spoon, press and smooth out the mix. Make sure the sides have a good coat, else it won't be able to hold the filling and they will break when we demold them. Don't hurry, it will take some time. Take your time and make it a nice and smooth base. Once it is done, keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to set. While it's chilling in the fridge, let's make the lemon curd filling, for which we'll need 70 ml of lemon juice. Always use freshly squeezed ones. The number of lemon depends on how juicy they are. You might require somewhere between 4 to 6 lemons here. Then we'll need zest of 2 lemon. Always make sure you wash the lemons before taking the zest out of it. Then we'll need 120 grams of sugar, 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 15 grams of corn flour and 100 grams of butter. Now let's start the procedure of making the lemon curd. Into a bowl add the lemon juice, zest and sugar and mix them all well. Now heat a pan and put the lemon juice mix into it. Stir it continuously so that the sugar melts completely and it forms a syrup. Keep the flame low and this will take not more than 5 minutes. Once you see bubbles on the sides, then turn off the flame. In another bowl, break the eggs and add the egg yolk, vanilla extract and the corn flour and mix them all well using a whisk. Now to the egg mix, add the lemon syrup little at a time while it's still hot. Do not pour them all at once, then you will end up cooking the eggs which we don't want. So mix it continuously to avoid any lumps. Once it is done, pour back the egg mix to the pan and cook it on low flame till it starts to thicken up. Stir it continuously so that it won't stick to the bottom. This will take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and you can see it has slightly started to thicken up. This is how you can check if it is done or not. Cook for another 1 minute. Don't worry if you have accidentally cooked some eggs or if you see any lumps in it. You can always sieve the mix using a strainer. Once you have sieved the mix, add the butter little at a time and mix it well. Once you'll mix all the butter, you will see a nice glossy and silky smooth lemon curd. At this stage it will be little runny, but it will thicken up as it cools down. Now fill them into a piping bag, which makes it easier to fill into the tarts. The excess lemon curd can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for over a month. They can be used for various other desserts like lemon cheesecake, filling for your cakes or cupcakes as well. Now take out the tart base from the fridge and pour the lemon curd mix into it gently. Tap and shake them from the sides without breaking them to even out, and let it set in the fridge for at least 3 hours or more. It will be better if you can keep it overnight. I left it overnight to set. Now to remove the ring, place a small bowl or a glass like this and place the tart mold on it and gently pull the ring down. Now to remove the base, use the edge of a knife and prick it from any corner without breaking the shell. Here is it. Our lemon tart is ready. You can drizzle some icing sugar on top if you wish, or you can leave it as it is. Look how beautiful they look from inside, and the bright yellow color. Wow! You can even try this recipe using orange juice and make orange tarts. Then you will have to adjust the amount of the sugar according to the sweetness of the oranges. Give it a try and let me know how they turned out. Hope you all enjoyed the recipe of lemon tart. If you all did, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. See you all soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes.